Excuse me. That hit the spot. Hey, Lemmy Koopa. Oh, hi, Sobble. You probably seem to be full. I know. What are you doing? Listening to your stomach. Did you eat a Tuscan chicken pasta? 2 helpings of it. Oh my god. The cutest Koopling is going to be sleeping on a full stomach tonight. Well, that is if he doesn't get, well, indigestion. Really? That's possibly not gonna happen. However, my tummy sure is satisfied. Well, a full stomach is a happy stomach, actually. That was so good. And I feel really full. Lemmy? Oh, hey, Blue Jay. How was that pasta you ate earlier? It was good. I can hear it starting to digest in your tummy. Oh, okay. It's probably going to take my stomach a while to digest those 2 helpings that I ate. You ate 2 helpings of that pasta? Dang, Lem, you're going to be sleeping on a full belly tonight. Although I hope you don't get indigestion from it. Blue Jay, there's not a chance of that happening. Alright. Hey, Lemmy. Hey, Bayonet. I can hear your tummy growling. Must have been something satisfying that you ate. You really do like pasta, don't you? I know. It's so delicious. Hey, Lemmy. Hi, Tyler. Yep. Your tummy is definitely active after that meal. Thanks. Oh no. I think I might have ate it a bit too fast. Lemmy, you didn't accidentally give yourself the... I think I may have accidentally given myself the... hiccups. Hey, Pikachu? Can you get me a glass of... water? Here you go, Lem. Thanks. Excuse me. Your hiccups gone, Lemmy? Yep.